To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. One of the major ways to relax and unwind is traveling the world. Apart from the fact that it exposes you to many cultures and history, you get to see what you're missing. However, traveling the world isn't as easy as it seems. Anything can happen when you're out of your comfort zone, like forgetting vital documents and not packing appropriately. So, to help combat these problems, here are a few tips that you can rely on. Here are 5 secrets that you should know to become a travel expert. Adequate planning before you leave. A trip to anywhere in the world requires adequate planning, ensuring you have everything ready to go before the day of your trip, like your visa, foreign currency, hotel bookings, and transport, are vital to eliminating last-minute stress before you leave. Therefore, make sure to prepare all of these items available a week before traveling. This way, you can focus on other tasks on the day before your flight, such as checking the weather and planning your transport and music choices on the way to the airport. Pack properly. Imagine having to rummage through your luggage at check-in because you accidentally packed your passport deep in there, or your suitcase splitting open because it wasn't locked properly. Certainly something you could easily avoid. It's important to make sure your suitcase not only allows you to be more organized, but also ensures your belongings are safe and sound. To avoid these, we suggest rolling up clothes instead of folding, using sealable plastic bags for small items, and opting for a raincoat instead of carrying an umbrella. You can also put hard, brittle objects, like a brush, in your shoe, and place the shoe in a shower cap to keep it scuff-free. Get reward cards. Get reward cards to help you get cheaper rates, especially if you're on a budget. These can help you rack up points for a cheaper rate and free stays in a hotel for future traveling. Just make sure you are able to actually pay for these credits you gather over time. Otherwise, it's probably best to stick to cash. Set up a cap for what you're willing to spend daily. Traveling can be exciting and distracting. There's always something new to buy or experience, and without proper budgeting, this temptation could ruin your whole trip. Setting a fixed dollar amount for what you're willing to spend daily will make sure you don't leave a dent in your account, which could happen easily otherwise. We hope that these 4 tips will help you have a more relaxing and comfortable travel experience. If you found any of these helpful or have your own tips to share, please let us know in the comments down below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.